completely snow-filled area. This would be kind of interesting. And now it's stuck. It seems like it's stuck. Have you guys ever seen a four-wheel burnout? Watch all four wheels. And you...
What do you do?
You missed this one. You filled the car with snow.
Look at this.
Hold on.
You should not have pulled away yet. Do you see that big stuff?
Why can't you shovel that out for me?
What a dummy. Why would you leave your door open, you dork? Oh, man. Wait, move your hand.
Oh, my iPad. iPad.
Here, you're gonna...
Oh, dude, it's only a Mercedes.
You just throw a snowball at him?
No, it was
Oh.
Jerry, close the door.
I can't. My window was frozen. There we go.
Alright, close the door all the way.
Oh, look out, Ross.
Ross, get out of the way.
Sideways.
Go. Make sure if it hits me at 2 miles an hour.